Hello, crafters. This is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and I am here with Spellbinders Fire Sale. So there is a new sale happening at Spellbinders with steals and deals. We just finished the BOGO sale. Now, the difference between Black Friday, the BOGO sale, and this new fire sale. There's a few things in this sale that are different than the previous two sales. There are a few steals in here that you might be interested in, especially if you want to get like last minute Christmas gifts or you want to treat yourself to a few of the steals. Also, we're now coming towards the end of the 12 days of giveaways. December 12th is the day for the grand prize, the original platinum die cutting machine with the XL universal plate system. It's a great prize. I will put a link in my description box below so you can fill out the form on the Spellbinders website, but you can also enter on social media, Instagram and Facebook. Let's get started into the fire sale. Okay, crafters, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to put fire sale, and then I'm going to break it down in categories: dies, glimmer, and card making kits. You can still look at everything in the sale, check your wish list, just to see if there's anything in this sale that's in the wish list. I'm going to show you some notables in here, but I am going to still highlight those categories, okay? So first up, let's talk about dies. First steal in this sale is the Noel Mini Slimline Frame die set. Love this set. This is an example of it. This is actually the set here being used. So let's look at this one first. It's a nice label focal point with that pierced dot detail. It is a layering die, so there is this outer piece. You can choose to use the dot detail, that's a drop-in, and then this top label. On here, that's the word Noel, which is right here. Then there's this holly ensemble. You can use these outside of this set too. This is great if you want to get the exact shape that's here. Use that and then layer this, or just use these alone for something else. It has a little flourish in here as well. This is a really elegant, beautiful mini slimline. It is now a steal at $10 from $24.99. Yay! Thumbs up. Here is another version of it with the stitched joy dies. Love this set. $10 from $24.99. Steal. This one, another steal. This is the Heartfelt Thanks vignette. 7 cutting dies in all these layers. This gives me that storybook feel. It's a very romantic die. I love this, and it's an elegant die set. So both of them are actually quite elegant. That would be $15 for both. This is $5 from $21.99. That's a steal. You could get one for you and one for a crafty friend too. Here it is with one of my stitching dies, and these are all the layers that are here. You get that outer layer, and then you put that drop in for this detail. Then you get this inner layer, and then you get another layer. So you have 1, 2, 3 oval style shapes. Then you get a sentiment in here that says heartfelt thanks. I can even top this with these two pieces. $5. Steal. And it's pretty too. Up next, this trio is on sale, but you're only seeing the duo. I don't have the third one. I think I'm going to get it in this sale because I have a feeling these are on the way out. I have used here in this example, the half slimline oval. There is a half slimline diamond, and there's also a half slimline bracket. I'm going to show you the photograph here. I'm going to link all three in order. They're all steals, but one is a huge steal. This one, which I think is the prettiest one. This is the first one I bought, and I was like, this is the biggest steal? I think this is the prettiest one. Here it is with some Susan Tyranny Coburn dies. A few of her dies are in this sale too, so I will put a direct link for her within this fire sale too if you want to make some of these 3D florals. So the half slimline oval is $5 from $21.99. Steal. Half slimline diamond, $10 from $21.99, and the bracket also $10 from $21.99. Yay! You could get all three for $25 and you are done, and they layer up very easy. This is a solid piece. This is the drop-in. So you can see that I have some yellow tape already in here. Very easy to use, super pretty, love it. And you get sentiments. Beautiful friend, plant joy, and then the third one, you saw it in the picture. Or you can check out my link. Next, 2 large die of the month. So there are some past Kit Club items that are on sale and that are a steal. Both of them retail for $40. That is the standard price for Past Kit Club Large Die of the Month. This one is called Christmas Foliage Strip and Borders. This is now 10 from 40. And Santa's Fireplace, 10 from 40. I have a feeling both of these are on the way out. This is from 2021. And so is this, okay? If you've been wanting these two, this might be the time. Here are two examples of it. I've used this one more deconstructed. I like the foliage in here. So this is really nice. It is called Christmas Foliage Strip and Borders, Santa's Fireplace. I've used bits out of this. I have not put it fully together. Here with that little circle detail, that's where you get the interactive element. I love this set. Super duper cute. And this is pretty as well because of the length. This is also great for mini albums as well, scrapbooking pages if you want to do a decorative layer. Plus this piece where you can piece on back the poinsettia, the holly, the pine. These are great steals as well. And I'm going to also mention another large die of the month. I don't own it, but I'll show it to you here on the screen. And it's called the Friendship Necklace Die Set from January of 2020. Look at those hearts. So this is perfect for your Valentine's crafting. If you are getting ready to make your Valentine's projects, a lot of us are going to be definitely doing that within January. You could get this set because it is $10 from $40. Super cute. That one I think I'm going to put in my cart as well. So that's another steal. To round out all these dies, I'm going to now go into stitching dies. All right, crafters, I'm going to highlight these 4 stitching dies. These two are your super steals. This is a steal and this is a deal. So let's start off with the 2 super steals. Stitched Fan Card Front dies. This one is $5 from $26.99. Here is an example of it. Isn't that pretty? It is so pretty. So this one I love because it's deconstructed. So you can just stitch this piece on the bottom and the top and you're done. I love that label right here. I've used this within this set and I've used it outside of. You can make the whole card, which is done here. $5 from $26.99. This is a great stocking stuffer too. Next, hello. So stitched hello, which I have this part stitched up. I have not put the letters for the hello in here. It's just to run these through a die cut machine. Just haven't decided the color yet. Should I do white? Should I do black? This card, I was practicing thicker stitching. And you can see it side to side. See how this is a lot more floss than this? And then I was also practicing these roses. Yana has a video where she shows on her channel how to do this rose. I'm not great at it, but it was still fun. So I have this one made. Hello is 5 from 27. So another steal. Great stocking stuffer as well. So super cute. Stitched hello, stitch fan card front. Both of them $5 done. If your cart stays low, then the shipping is not a lot, okay? Up next, nested stitched burst. Love this one. This one is 15, but it's from 35. So this one was a stitch die of the month. This was the first stitch die when stitching dies were introduced back in January. So now you can have it at 15 from 35. Normally 35 as a past kit club item. Isn't this super pretty? So both of these will really stretch your stitching. If you wanted something new, fun, fresh, exciting, both of these styles fit that bill. And you can see, perfect for Valentine's. It is a full A2 frame, 4 1/4 by 5.5 inch, and you can choose to use all these details and you can also take the details out. And lastly, this one is called the Stitched Kaleidoscope Strip. It is a very pretty, elegant die. I have it here as like grounding my birthday cake. I love this card still. But it's so much fun for this type of kaleidoscope die, which is the same layering. This is a new collection this month. This one is a kaleidoscope arch. This is the same principle. So what you do is the one with the most detail is at the bottom. This is the middle layer. That's the top layer. I have the darkest pink, mid pink, light pink, dark brown, mid brown, and a khaki tan brown. So that's how you work with the kaleidoscope. You can choose to stitch or not. In this instance, this was super easy stitching, and I love how this turned out. I did not even use the whole strip. It is 8.5 inch tall by 1 1/8 of an inch wide. It's a very pretty die. This is now $10 from $29.99. Another steal. Up next, crafters, Glimmer. This is the Glimmer deals. Now, I don't see better press in this sale, but before I get started into the Glimmer deals, I did want to show you something I recently hauled from Spellbinders. This is the Hero Arts letterpress plate, 4 3/8 of an inch wide by 5 3/4 of an inch tall. Super pretty forest scene. I saw this during the BOGO sale and I thought, wow, this is so pretty. It is regular price. It has been sold out everywhere else. Spellbinders has it, so I guess Spellbinders has an agreement with Hero Arts to make this beautiful hot foil plate. So you may want to get that. I will put a link in the Spellbinder store for this beauty. So that's the only better press, and no, it's not on sale, but boy, is she pretty. All right, now let's get into Glimmer. Okay, crafters, I'm going to highlight these 5 Glimmer hot foil plates. They are all steels. Let's start off with these Glimmer hot foil backgrounds. There is Glimmer geometric optical background, geometric flower background, and geometric diamond background. I think the only one I haven't used is this one. Here is the geometric flower. Here are 2 versions of the geometric optical, which is so pretty. Great for making masculine cards. This one, super pretty. Now, if you're looking at that geometric flower going, what does that remind me of? It reminds you of your wax seal kit, the box, okay? That's where this idea came from, and it's like so pretty. It's just a little bit larger scaling, but look at that. Love that. And all of these have coordinating stencils too. This is the only one I haven't used yet. So I might use this one with the advent calendar because I've just been having tons of fun with the advent videos. I will link my most recent advent video here. Tons of fun. So all 3 of these are $10 from $28.99. You could get all 3 for $30. That is $1 more than if you bought them individually at regular price. $28.99 might as well be $29, right? So that's 3 for the price of 1. Huge steal. That's like buy 1, get 2 free. Love that. Up next, this elegant beauty, which she glimmers like a dream. She's easy to use. This is designed by Susan Tierney Coburn and it's called Glimmer Ferns Hot Foil Plate. Here it is with one of Susan's florals. Here it is with just some stickers. And look how it just adds that special feel in the background. 2 stickers and a Glimmer sentiment. Card done with a little bit of gems. Love, love both ways. Glimmer Ferns. This is $10 from $23.99. Love that. So this one is also a steal. Up next, these are the birthday fun Glimmer hot foil plates. Hand-drawn loops. This one is $10 from $18.99. That's a deal. This one, So Many Candles, this is $10 from $21.99. Steal. Deal, steal. So pretty. This was used in the Glimmer workshop as one of the examples. And a lot of crafters were commenting that they love it. And this one looks like you can do a slimline card. You can also work it within an A2. You just crop it down and work it there. You could put a sentiment, happy birthday on the top. Haven't used this one yet, but I certainly have used this one on a Halloween card. But I love it. Purple cardstock with purple hot foil roll here with the hand-drawn loops. Isn't that adorable? Sitting here with Cousin It. This is my Cousin It card. From the Addams Family. I love this card. And lastly, it's called Flower Delivery. I'm going to put the word car so you know what it is. This one is a Glimmer of the Month from January. It's a steal at $15 from $31. This is fabulous for all your masculine cards. This almost reminds me of a certain card that we're seeing a lot of lately. The Advent Calendar card. Isn't that pretty? But this is just a fabulous set. You get a little tag. You get sentiments in here, which are yay, for you, and hello. So you can use these with the card, without. And you also get some flowers that you can glimmer and then cut out. But I use some dies instead. And then look at the car. To glimmer this car solid, as you see here. And this card has been with me since January. And she's still looking good, huh? That's why I love Glimmer hot foil. When you're glimmering this, I kind of like to do what I call toasting it. The light goes off. It says to remove my Glimmer hot foil system out the machine, but what I do, I leave it on a little bit longer. Just a little bit of a toast, like 10 more seconds or 20 seconds, and that's how I got the car all nice and solid. Navy cardstock with opaque white hot foil roll. Navy cardstock in the back. This is not on sale this time, the wood grain, but this is matte silver, okay? And then layered up some flowers and foundation dye. Yes, Fluted Classics ovals. I hope a few of you had gotten that. BOGO, and it was also in Thanksgiving. Love that. This was just in the BOGO sale too, assorted tags. Yeah, I'm starting to know my product like that, aren't I? But this is a great deal. It also has the coordinating die. So what you're seeing is the car and the die around it. Now let's go on to the card making category. There are still a few full-size card making kits in this sale, and this might be the time you want to get them, because the full-size card making kits, those are starting to go out and clearance out. There are about 4 of them in this sale at the full size, and then there are 2 quick and easy card making kits. The quick and easy card making kits are going to be a smaller kit. The full size kits, these are the ones that would give you bang for your buck. These are a steal at $20 from $60. Thumbs up. In this sale, I do see this set, which I purchased myself previously. This is the Love Grows Here. You get a die set to make these birds. And the reason these 2 are on the outside of the kit is because when I do get these full-size kits, I like to take the dies out. I take the 6x6 pad out. Then I leave everything else. And I take the cardstock out too. Full-size cardstock. So this one has these 2 beautiful bird dies. And then here is the 6x6 paper pad that would come in it. Pretty nice, fun colors. I can use this too for the advent calendar. Yeah, I'm going to take this out and use that. Maybe the birds as well. And then now you get this beautiful box. I love the box too. You unwrap it like so. And you get die cut shapes, a lot of them. I just showed you in one of my kit club videos. I will link the video here. Day 9 with the Oh What Fun kit. That's not in this sale. I think that one is sold out. So that's what I'm saying. These things are retiring. This is a steal. If you want to treat yourself to one or get one as a crafty gift, this is a fabulous gift to give somebody. It's an all-in-one party ready to go for card making, especially these full-size kits. You even get a stamp set, envelopes, and card bases. You get puffy stickers, chipboard stickers, adhesive. You even get confetti. And of course, the die set and the 6x6 paper pad. And then here, this is some chipboard frames. So there's a lot of goodies in these card making kits. I did see another kit that I'm going to add to my cart in this sale as well. Here are some examples of where you can go with this. One of the kits did include these butterflies as well, butterfly stickers. You can use these card making kits with Glimmer, embossing folder. This is all printed die cuts. So these printed die cuts can still make pretty cards. Here it is, combined with a die. Loads of pretty die cuts again. Lots of the pretty die cuts. And then here, the 6x6 pattern paper with some dies. This is the same thing. Dies, 6x6 pattern paper, printed die cuts, wax seal, printed die cuts, and a strip of 6x6 paper pad, 6x6 paper pad, and then here is a tag die and a puffy sticker. This one is all from the kit, the label and the printed die cuts, and then the 6x6 paper pad. So there's lots of fun to be had in these card making kits. So I'm going to put 3 categories in this sale. Dies, link all of what I showed in this video, Glimmer, all of those goodies, and then card making, and I will put a direct link for this Love Grows Here. I love the little bird with all that layering. Look at that. So super cute, and the little top on the bird. Alrighty, crafters. Everything will be detailed and linked below. Don't forget the 12 days of giveaways as well. Thumbs up. And every day up until the 24th, I have my advent calendar video. Check out the fire sale. There are a bunch of steals in this one. Are great stocking stuffers or gifts for yourself. Alrighty, crafters, until the next video, stay crafty, my friends. Happy holidays. Bye.